there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's card features the Zany Zoo stamp set and coordinating dies. I have made previous videos using these dies and stamp sets, but I just love them, so I wanted to make another fun card using this same set. So this uses Pool Party and just uses this cute little critter inside here. I've also made a few up using crumb cake as my base. It's the same design for each one, but just using each of the three little cutouts there, the die cuts I should say. Just same colorway, just a little pop of color using subtles with the white on crumb cake base. I really like them, and then a little bit of stamping on the inside as well. But this one is a piece of Pool Party, so I'm using Pool Party as my base. I have embossed the backing mat using the exposed brick 3D embossing folder, and this circle is cut out also using the 3D embossing folder. Sorry, it's cut out using the 2 3/8 inch punch, and then I embossed it with that embossing folder. Also got the little tag at the back here, cut out in vellum using the nested essential dies as well. And that's the stamping for the inside. I went ahead and stamped the this cute little image here with the little notes as well, and then the happy birthday to you. It really is a fun stamp set. I think it's really fun. So now that I've got a little bit of the stamping out of the way, I'm using the opposite side. So this piece of paper is cut from the Subtles Designer Series paper stack, and this one is, it's the 6x6 stack. I used that one. I'm going to flip it over and use that side. I think I like a bit more white against that background. So let's go ahead and stamp this little guy out using a piece, just a scrap piece of white, because we're going to die cut. And where is he gone? There he is. Yes, stamp him out, and all I'm going to do is just colour the balloons. That's all, and I'm just using 4 different colours. So let's start with Lemon Lolly. I'm just going to put a little bit of the dark Lemon Lolly just on those the little shade lines of the balloon, then come in with the light just to blend it out. Right, and let's bring in Fresh Freesia. Yep, it's the dark. I have to check because the Fresh Freesia is so close in colour to the Bubble Bath, which is coming up next. Oops. I typically only ever use the thick tip end. And I'm colouring with blends. Bubble Bath. Oh, I love this colour. It's such a pretty colour. Okay, and Pool Party, of course, to tie in that background. You can colour your little animal in if you want to. I quite like the contrast, leaving it just plain black and white, and then I think it just makes those colour of the balloons pop on the card. I'm going to cut that out using the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine with the die. So let's cut that out. Alright, so that is now little pieces cut out. Let's assemble the card. A couple of dimensionals on the back of the die cut. this one on with some tear and tape. Oh, my tear and tape. Sorry, it's not tear and tape, it's stamp and seal. Doesn't want to work today. Get off there. Right, and put that onto the piece of vellum. And then that goes onto the cards, the designer series paper. Just pop that on there. Just centering it. Just make sure it's centered. These backings off the dimensionals. In the middle. And then I'm going to put some more dimensionals on the back of this. Once you've done your die cutting and the embossing, it's a very easy card to put together, and you know, like I made a whole bunch of them. So I'm just putting that slightly further to the top to allow for room for the sentiment down the bottom. It's not straight. Okay. And just cut that. Like I said, I just used an offcut. Just angle cut the edges. A couple of dimensionals on the back. Go down the bottom. Whoops. Some more dimensionals on the back. Can't really have too many dimensionals. You could lay it flat on your card base if you wanted to, but I prefer them popped up on dimensionals. I think they're easier to center too on the card front. Go. And then our stamping for the inside. Of course, that is, some people like to leave the insides blank. That's fine. I just think that little turtle is too adorable not to use. And there you have it. Same card. Oh, no, not quite finished. Goodness me. You know what I forgot, don't you? These are the in colour dots. And I don't want to miss putting one of them in. So, one, the one down there. Yeah, that's the lemon lolly colour. And there you have it. I think that's a really cute way to set a simple little card base, a simple little card, just using one of the dies from the very, very cute Zany Zoo set. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact me, Stamping Mary, that's MERRY @gmail.com. I have put a link to all of the products used in the description bar below. So if you click on any of the links, you'll be taken directly to shop at my website. Thank you so much. Bye.